Gentry Jacks, what are you doing? Hey, sir, I caught you red-handed, flipping backwards out of your seat. You ain't hiding behind your leg. I can still see you, Mr. Gentry. Get back up here now. Come here. Come here. I know you want my phone. You always want my phone. Are you gonna stay here this time? Or are you gonna run away again? Gentry. Gentry Jacks. Stop trying to get away. Stop you trying to get away, you little booger. You think you're funny. You think you're so funny? Stay in your chair. Stay in that chair. Okay? Okay? Stay in your chair. Alright? Mr. Gentry. Hey. Hello. Hey. What are you doing? Yeah, I caught you again. You're not very secretive. You're not very secretive. You be good. Oh, now you're gonna do it right in front of me. You don't even care. Oh, you trying to get your bee? Here, I'll help you. Here, I'll help you. Come on, let's come back up here. Come back up here to your seat. Hey, let go of the couch. Gentry. Here, look, I got your bee right here. See? Is that what you was getting?